Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, guys. It's me again, Ryan, back with another pretty good day trading recap. Yep, I'm done again within just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So I'm out most of my shares here around this time. Almost all, and just have it for break even. But I didn't even want to go back to break even. But yeah, so I have pins as my number one stock pick, and I have X, which it did a really good move as well. If you look, there you go. I was looking to long this, it did what I want, and then I probably almost be done somewhere here, and then took some off here, and yep. So imagine how much move is that, right? Woo, crazy. So I'll probably just risking here. This is probably 2-3 hours. Crazy. So the way I calculate my risk is based on how much 1 minute moved. But the thing is, it doesn't have a volume, so you have to be careful. That's another reason why I didn't take it, because there were no volume. Okay. But if you were trying to long that, then that's it. X and STX. One sec. STX. Yep. STX. Yeah, it didn't work. Choppy, really choppy, but kind of hit all my levels. But let's forget about that. So we have pins, and beautiful. Look at that. And I was done. So yeah, let's watch. So I was looking to to short around 1980 area. So this is where I see all the huge asks. So this is because it's on SSR. Is it on XS? Oh, it's not on SSR. This should be on SSR. I don't know why, because it's less than 22. That is weird. So I was actually shorting this to the ask, shorting at ask. It's weird, it's not an SSR. That is so weird. So 1980, right? That's where I really wanted it because of this. 1980. But I was late. I was kind of hesitant. So I did short it. Yeah, 1968. I did have an order 1968 here, but I got rejected because the price is the time is only 1930. I normally only trade 930.45. So I did actually short it. 1968. So that's where I shorted it. It moved almost 30 cents, so I'm probably risking 30 cents here. Since it only moved 30 cents. Look at this, 30. Right, I tried to re-enter again. As you can see, I didn't get filled. I entered here, now I get filled because it's an SSR. So yeah, this is what I was saying. When the stock is an SSR, you can't. I'm sure when it opened it was an SSR, so that's why I was only shorting at asks. So I tried for the third time. I get filled. Sometimes it's hard to get filled right away. So I was probably risking 30 cents. So since my price is around 1960, then 1930 will be my target, which that's what I did. So I took 25% there. So when it's like this, I have to watch the level too closely. Look at the price if it's rising, because if it's rising cent by cent by cent by cent, then you have to be careful because it can squeeze back. And then if it's going up cent by cent with green, it means buyers are pushing and hitting the ask. They're buying the ask. It means they're pushing the price up, right? So right now you don't see a lot of greens. So I waited for a bit. 17. I should. Yep. I know myself too much now. See, like I was waiting for a pause. When it was tanking, when it dumping down, I was waiting for a pause. When it paused, that's where you take, because sometimes when it paused, that's where it squeeze up. Okay, yeah, you have to remember that. And then you have to look at the colors here. That's why That's why I had it green and red. Green is when they're hitting the ask, and red is where, you know, they're hitting the bid. Okay. 19, 24. Now it did rise a bit. The price rised a bit. 16. Now it's down. You want to take profit here again. Yep, that's what I did. So there's some large orders at 9:30. You don't want this to go to 9:30, right? So there's huge bids here. If that misses, you take one more. Boom. I'm at, so it took 25%, 25%. I keep taking just 25%. And yeah, there you go. So there's like almost a 2-to-1 move. Just easy as that. I was risking this like 30 cents. There you go. It made like, I don't know, $60 move, not $60, 60-cent move. So the way to check here is also this one, right? This one is 180R. This is very, very important. It will tell you how much this candle moved from the close. From here, I was up, so that's like a 60-cent move from 51, then 51 cents. Right? So I'm seeing more greens now, so I was scared. So it's gonna go up. Price is rising. When I'm seeing green and price is rising, I have to be careful. Every cent is very, very important. Every cent move. Sometimes I don't look at the candles anymore, just look at the price. So, and then low of day is 1905, so that's about 15 cents away. Not anymore, 10 cents away. So it's up to you if you want to take everything off here. So I think that's what I did. I took most of my shares here. So I have 10% left. So when I have 10% left, I will probably take half somewhere here and then another 5% at the break even. Because, you know, sometimes it can give you more move and I'm greedy. Yep. But yeah, there you go. So this is what you want to see, 206. There you go. See that? It will dump a bit, then take profit when it dumps. So when you see everyone's like fighting with each other here, this is way, way bigger than this, right? And you see more red prints. See red, 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 and it's decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. Once it's go to 0, then it will dump like probably 10 cents. Let's look. 19, so probably 1880. Or maybe 1890 maybe. Yeah, right. 1890. That's 20 cents. Look at those green prints. Everyone's trying to buy, but it's still green. 1880. Easy as that, right? So good to watch this. This is real time, by the way. Okay. So we're on our 3rd minute. I took off here my last 5%, and then I have another 5% at break even. Yeah, that's about it. I told you, right? 1880. From a round number, normally it's 10 to 20 cents down or more. 25 cents. Wow. I should have taken all out here. But yeah. That's how you do it, guys. I was in early because you could probably short here, but the thing is, I know it got rejected at VWAP. 1980, I was right. I was really, really right at 1980. Sometimes if you have an order at 1980, you might not get filled because it's the highest. So sometimes you have to kind of like, you know, short at the ask. You know, if you wanna be sure you wanna get in a trade. Yeah. That's about it. Let's fast forward it. Yeah, so now it's making higher highs on every minute and you see more greens. So this is a sign that, you know, it's done. It's probably gonna go back to VWAP somewhere here and it's gonna dump a bit. It's like that, and then decides where it's going. So we probably want to short it here around the pre-market low. So this, yeah, see 940, 1940. That's like a almost 40-cent move, right? Probably resistance here. Yeah, and this is like a 1 minute, 9 EMA on 5 minute, 9 EMA, right? Easy. I wanted to reshort here, but I don't know, man. Like, I don't want to give back at all. When I hit my goal, no going back. Yeah. Yeah, maybe in the future I will really consider re-entering on moves like this, because this always happens. But, you know, I need more experience. I really, really need more experience. Just screen time. Because right now I'm only trading the open, right? Yeah, that's about it. So please, 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 if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will greatly appreciate that if you do that. And yeah, today's Friday. All green days, my friend. All green days. It's the first day of the month. Let's hope for a green month. I never had a full green month. I always have one red day on a month. Last month I have one red day. Last month I have one red day. So let's hope for all green day this month. Let's see. We have to be laser focused in this. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. Please be nice to each other. And yeah, a good day. Bye. Peace.